Welcome back to Pop the Hood, bro. Here is 1994 Nissan Skyline and we are restoring this car. It's a very crazy idea, it's very difficult to do this because the car is very rusty. So this episode is about the rear part of this car, the back side. We need to put off the trunk and cut all bad metal. So let's go, guys. So the rear arches, I start in here. I drilled out this plate from here. This plate, I cut it off and make a new one. So here it goes like this, and it has like this geometry, and I copied this geometry here. I copied with a hammer. So this place is okay. I wanted to make here hole and reinforcement. I think this part is going like something like that. Oh, with one hand it's difficult to show you. And here we got something like that. Just look at this. I'm genius. Crazy man. Look here. Beautiful. Here, beautiful. Here, beautiful. And this cut is genius cut. The cut of the genius, the cut of me. Crazy. Looks like original. So at this moment we have something like this. I cut all rear arch and made a new one, but I think I will show you it in the next episode. So click the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm waiting your support. Oh, I forgot. Here I install the wires and it looks
like this.
Thank you guys for watching. I really waiting your comments, really waiting your likes and subscribing. Your support, it's very important for me. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.